Hello everybody. Now we are just going to see problem solving. So here we will discuss another type of goal-based agent. We can say it as that is known as problem solving agent, which uses atomic representation with no internal states visible to problem solving algorithms. So the problem solving performs precisely by defining problems and its several solutions. So it refers to a state where we wish to reach to a definite goal from present state or condition. So according to computer science, problem solving is a part of artificial intelligence which encompasses a number of techniques such as algorithm, heuristics to solve problem. So problem solving, we know the name itself indicating problem solving. If there is a problem, how to solve the particular problem. That is what the topic is mainly concentrated about. Therefore, a problem solving agent is a goal driven agent and focused on satisfying the goal. Satisfying the goal. So what are the steps performed? We need to know. So we just say problem solving. So how to solve the problem? What are the steps have to be solved? If there is a problem in our life, we need to solve the particular problem, right? So how to solve the particular problem? What are the thing we need to consider to solve the particular problem? The same way here, if there is a problem in a particular agent or if there is a problem in a particular machine, how to solve the particular problem? That has steps have to be followed for solving the particular problem, right? So what are the steps? First one, goal formulation. It is the first and simplest step in problem solving. It organizes the steps sequence required to formulate one goal out of the multiple goals as well as action to achieve that goals. Goal formulation is based on the current situation and agent performance measure. Next comes to problem formulation. It is the most important step of problem solving which decides what action should be taken to achieve the formulated goals. There are following 5 components involved in problem formulation. First one, initial state, which is it is starting state or initial step of the agent towards its goal. Next comes to actions. It is the description of the possible actions available to the agent. Transition model. Next, it describes what each action does. Goal test. It determines if the given state is a goal state. Path cost. It assigns a numeric cost to each path that follows the goal. The problem solving agent select a cost function which reflects its performance measure. You remember, an optimal solution has the lowest path cost among all the solutions. One thing you should consider or note here, initial state, action and transition model together define a state space of the problem. Implicitly, state space of the problem is a set of all states which can be reached from initial state followed by any sequence of action. The state space form a directed map or graph where nodes are the states, links between the nodes are actions, and the path is the sequence of states connected by a sequence of action. So search. What is meant by search here? It identifies all the best possible sequence of action to reach the goal state from the current state. It takes a problem as an input and returns solution as its output. Solution, which means it finds the best algorithm out of various algorithms which may be proven the best optimal solution. Execution, you can say it as it executes the best optimal solution from the searching algorithm to reach the goal state from the current state. So here for this problem solving technique, we can say several examples: Sudoku, NQueen problem, traveling salesman problem, chess. All these we can say it as example for this problem solving. It needs to define a problem statement first and then generating the solution by keeping the condition in mind. Make a note, by keeping the condition in the mind. So we can say it as example here, the two types of problem here, toy problem and real world problem. Toy problem, it is a concise and exact description of the problem which is used by the researchers to compare the performance of algorithm. Whereas real world problem, it is a real world problem which requires solution. Unlike a toy problem, it does not depend on a description, but we can have a general formulation of the problem. Unlike toy problem, it need to general formulation we need for that particular real world problem. Here this for toy problem we can also say that NQueen problem. where 3 cross 3 matrix will be there. Movable tiles numbered from 1 to 8 with a blank space. The tile adjacent to the blank space can slide into that space. The objective is to reach the specified goal state similar to the goal state as shown in the diagrammatic representation we have seen in the 8 puzzle problem, right? 3 cross 3 matrix will be there. So condition is to 1 to 8 tile with a blank space. The adjacent tile of the blank space can slide into the space. Other than should not be placed. So in the figure, in the 8 cross 8 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix, we can say our task is to convert the current state into the goal state by sliding digits into the blank space. Our task is to convert the current state into the goal state by sliding digits into the blank space. So here we can say the problem formulation as states, which means it describes the location of each number tiles and blank tile. Initial state we can start from the any state as an initial state. Action we can say it as a either left, right, up or down. So here we can say transition model, it returns a resulting state as per the given state and action. So goal test we can define here it as a identifies whether we have reached the correct goal state. Path cost we can say it as number of steps in the path where the cost of the each path is we can take it as 1. So this is what how the 8 puzzle 3 cross 3 using 8 3 cross 3 matrix, how the 8 puzzle problem is solved. And here we can say it as another kind of problem here, which is nothing but real world problem. We can take it as traveling salesman problem. It is a touring problem where the salesman can visit each city only once. The objective is to find the shortest route to and sells out the stuffs in each city. So we can also say an example as VLSI layout problem. In this problem, millions of components and connections are positioned on a chip in order to maximize the area, circuit delay, stray, capacitance, and maximizing the manufacturing yield. So here we can say the layout problem that can be divided into two parts: cell layout and channeling routing, protein design. So cell layout, which means here the primitive components of the circuits are grouped into cells, each performing its specific function. Each cell has a fixed shape and size. The task is to place the cell on the chip without overlapping each other. Whereas here we can divide another called channel routing. It finds a specific route for each wire through the gaps between the cell. Protein design, the objective is to find a sequence of amino acid which is folded into 3D protein having a property to cure some disease. So these are all the thing which we need to consider for problem solving. So several examples we have considered for this problem solving. So the step we need to identify is how to achieve a goal. Using this, either it might be a toy problem or real world problem. So it should achieve a goal. That's what the main concept is about. It should statement should be define the problem statement first, and then generating a solution by keeping the condition in mind. So having a condition particular about the particular problem. Say for an example, in 8 quint problem, we have considered the condition like tile should be placed at the adjacent blank space rather than near to that. Adjacent should be the tile has to be placed. So keeping that condition in mind, the problem has to solve. That is what the problem solving is main about. Keeping the condition in mind and solving based on that condition. In order to achieve a goal, in order to satisfy the goal. That is what the problem solving is main about, where we wish to reach the definite goal from the present state or condition. So this is what the main about problem solving. It's a part of artificial intelligence which encompasses a number of techniques. Number of techniques is there to solve a problem, such as algorithm, heuristic, several things is there to solve a problem, right? So all these things based on the condition it should act. It should satisfy the goal, right? Thank you.